Hello, everyone. So that's CS456. Course title is Computer Networks. So CS456 is an introductory course to computer networks. So the course is designed as a first course in computer networking and provides basic concepts and principles of computer networking, ranging from transmitting frames over a communication link to routing packets over a worldwide communication infrastructure to the design of network applications. So there is one highlight about this course is that it features the internet, or extensively uses the internet to illustrate the concepts and principles behind computer networking. Why is the internet? Because first, you are familiar with, you use it on a daily basis, and also because it is a technology that is changing the world, as you can agree with me. So these, taking part of the course, you will learn the following aspects or topics: application level protocols, and many of these you use on a daily basis, such as email, the World Wide Web, file sharing, and others. You will learn about application programming interfaces, and specifically the socket programming interface, so you can write network applications. You will learn how networking principles are put into practice through many examples in the internet, as well as programming assignments. And you will learn about the network layered architecture, because computer networks are very complex. There are many, many concepts, many protocols, many technologies. And in order to cope with this complexity, computer networks are architectured into a layered architecture. And as a matter of fact, next please. The course itself is organized around the layered computer network architecture, and there is one module dedicated to each of these layers: the application layer, the transport layer, the network layer, and the data link layer. And one highlight about this course is that it follows a top-down approach, where we start with the application layer and then working our way down the protocol stack down to the data link layer. And this is a highlight because traditionally computer networks have been studied or are taught in a bottom-up approach, starting with the physical layer, learning how bits are transmitted over a physical wire, and then up the protocol stack. And the main reason for that is, again, because you are most familiar with network applications, you use them, and also understanding how applications work, you understand the requirements of this application in terms of the underlying computer network infrastructure for delivering application messages between machines that are connected to the network. So another highlight is there is one first module that provides the overall picture of computer networks. So this can be considered as a mini course on computer networks that provides you with the overall picture, what is involved, what all the concepts that are involved in computer networking are basically touched on briefly during this first module. So you can get a feel of the context and understanding of the big picture. And then we delve into the details in each of the dedicated modules. At the end of the course, a module is dedicated to multimedia networking and the evolution of computer networks to support multimedia applications such as audio and video streaming, audio and video conferencing. Next, please. So why take this course? Maybe because you want to work in the computer and networking industry, a vibrant industry, or do graduate studies in computer networking. Maybe you are curious about what happened between the moment you click on a hyperlink and then you see a web page displayed on your web browser. There are thousands of things that happen in the background, and although it takes such a short time, and that's what you will also learn in this course. Or you want to write the next killer applications, such as the email or World Wide Web at their times, or simply write a cool application like this one, a web-enabled toaster that is connected to a meteorological server that allows you to print the daily weather forecast on your morning toast. Next. So if you are convinced that then you want to take this course, this is what is required, and this is the prerequisites and anti-requisites. Any questions?
Thank you.
All right.